Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make classic split pea soup. It's a classic and it's actually pretty easy to make. You have that delicious split pea soup going on, flavored with some carrots and onions and a little bit of thyme, and you have a ham hock boiled in there, so you have a little bit of ham to go with your soup. It's pretty tasty. Start out by heating a large pot on the stove over medium-high heat. Melt a 1/4 cup of butter right there in the pot. Once that's all melted, add in 1 diced onion, and I'm using a white onion for this. Then you'll also need 3 ribs of sliced celery and 3 sliced carrots. Stir this and let it saute for about 5 to 7 minutes until the onions start to get soft and turn translucent. After those are cooked, we'll pour in 1 pound of dried split peas, along with 4 cups of water and 4 cups of chicken broth. Then we'll crank up the heat a little bit and bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're gonna add in 2 ham hocks. They're ugly, but you just slide them right in to the boiling liquid. And then we'll season it off with 2 teaspoons of dried thyme. Pop the lid on, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for 90 minutes until the peas are nice and soft. Remove the ham hocks and place them onto a cutting board. Then you'll want to shred off any of the meat. Set your meat aside, and then working in batches, we're going to puree our soup. We'll pop the lid on, remove the center so that it can vent, and puree. Once it's all blended and smooth, pour it back into the pot. And you can always thin this out with a little more liquid if you'd like to. Stir in your little bits of ham and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.